Welcome to our channel. If you're the executor of an estate and need to file taxes for someone who passed away, follow these step-by-step instructions to handle this sensitive responsibility correctly. Step 1. Obtain multiple certified copies of the death certificate, which you'll need for various tax and financial institutions. Step 2. Identify yourself as the executor or personal representative by locating the will or obtaining court appointment letters if necessary. Step 3. File a final individual income tax return using Form 1040 for the deceased person, covering income from January 1st through the date of death. Step 4. Write deceased and the date of death across the top of the final Form 1040. Sign as personal representative. Step 5. Obtain an employer identification number for the estate using Form SS4, which is needed for the estate's bank account and tax filings. Step 6. If the estate generates more than $600 in income after death, file Form 1041 estate income tax returns for the estate itself. Step 7. Determine if estate tax returns are required. For 2024 deaths, estates exceeding $13.61 million must file Form 706. Step 8. Consult with an estate attorney or CPA experienced in estate taxation to ensure all filings are completed correctly and deadlines are met, as estate administration involves complex tax rules. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.